Is TopScope provides a clear view of 4 European stocks and the STOXX 600 index, all based on the rate of change indicator. What you see is the price change between the most recent closing price and past values for the selected time periods. In this video, I've chosen 3 key periods, each represented by a recognizable symbol: 1 month, 3 months and 9 months. On the chart, the x-axis displays the stocks, while the y-axis shows the percentage change for each period. What can you learn from this chart? I'll go over 5 key elements that highlight TopScope's value. 1. Performance insights. For example, TopScope shows that the stock InBev had a performance of -10.6% over 1 month, -5.3% over 3 months, and -12.4% over 9 months. This chart provides a clear snapshot of each stock's performance over the selected periods, allowing you to quickly assess their historical price changes. 2. Scope and volatility. When the performances for a stock remain close together, it suggests stability with limited volatility, often indicating a steady trend. In contrast, large differences between the performances indicate higher volatility, usually a sign of clear trend movements. 3. Instant trend recognition. TopScope makes it easy to spot trends at a glance. For example, ABI has slight negative performance, signaling a sideways to slightly downward trend. ASML shows significant negative performance across all periods, indicating a strong downward trend. DTE and EL shows strong positive performance, suggesting an upward trend. The STOXX 600 index has neutral performance, indicating a stable, sideways movement. 4. Symbols and trend visualization. Each period is represented by a unique symbol: a cross for the short term, a sphere for the mid-term, and a triangle for the long term. When the symbols are spaced apart, like in ASML or DTE, this indicates a strong downward or upward trend. When symbols are closer together, it suggests a stable movement. Are you looking for stocks breaking out? Look for instances where the short-term symbol is positive and position it above or close to the other symbols. GALE is nearly breaking out, as its short-term symbol shows positive movement close to the other symbols. Or vice versa. ADM and EDR are making new lows after a prolonged sideways movement, suggesting they may continue downward. 5. Sorting by performance. You can click on any period to sort the stocks based on performance, helping you quickly identify which stocks are outperforming or underperforming compared to the STOXX 600 index. TopScope provides a powerful, clear view of market trends and the performance of your stocks, helping you make informed decisions at a glance. Good luck!